Thokozani-ke zingane zakwethu, ngiyanibingelela futhi again and again and again and again and again. Kuyawuze ukuthi toti sidelokhu sifundisa nje ngezinto ey'ncane that mostly are used by you or okufanele ukuthi uyisebenzise. I'm gonna talk about things. First of all, this is the first thing, which is a wage of war. Wage of war against you. And how to make sure that you chase away that evil eye that's always spying on you. This is part 1. Part 2, I will tell you about something more powerful that you have to ukuthi uyayigwema. Guys, la umkhulu wasemakhosini indaba exoxa ngofakazi, number yakhe 0728871995. ayikhale ngani zakuthi usikhale kakhulu kunakuqala. Okunye nokunye sisazoqhubeka ngendlela sihambe sibone ukuthi sifika. Umkhulu wasemakhosini lo ndaba exoxa ngofakazi. La ngane uthi sikhuluma ngento eyodwa, salt and water, pure water, kakhulukazi uma unamanzi athandazela kade esuka enkonzweni engilozini yokuthandaza. Ngikhuluma abantu abanengilozi yokuthandaza ngempela, owaziyo ukuthi amanzi akhulekele asebenza kanjani. Then use rough salt everywhere. We need this rough salt. Take a glass yamanzi, or maybe anything ezoba light and big. Maybe use a bucket, white. Do not use anything ezoba black or something like that, but you can use anything. And make sure ukuthi if you put it in a glass, or maybe ujeke omkhulu, glass of ujeke weglasi, ufake lamanzi, then uthatha usawoti. If ujeke yale phezulu, hlafuna nje isandla sakho sonke noma uhalf wephakethe iphakethe leli rough salt, ushaye nje kube uhalf wonke. All you can do is for 10 to 15 minutes, you can do this 3 times a week, while you feel ukuthi there's some evil eye that is spying on you, because surely igazi lisuke lingakutshela amanga. There is a war that is waging kuwena, phela awukatshelwa wona. Please-ke wenze njena uma usufakile lento, shayela umkhuleko wakho kahle, uthi ukukhuleka kancane ngesandla sakho, usivule sokudla, nesandla sakho sokunxele, uqale ngasokunxele ubuyise ngala kwesokudla. And then-ke bese-ke what you have to do ukuthi ucwilise ikhanda lakho lonke, lokhu uhlamba nje kuphele lo 15 minutes. Kuphele lo 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes uwenza leyo nto. Uyikhuthalele nje anytime. Lokhu ungakwenza noma inini noma ngasiphi isikhathi. Usawoti awuzwani nento esuke i-evil, guys. Chases away evil spirits. Please make sure that you do lokho, kuzokusiza. Thokoza. Amen.